Look at this YouTube channel named Enoch Unsealed. This channel has gained over 78,000 subscribers with just 29 videos by making dark documentaries on suppressed history and ancient mysteries. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step workflow to create the same viral documentary videos like Enoch Unsealed using ChatGPT, Meta AI, ElevenLabs, and Flow AI completely for free. Step 1. Setting up interactive topic generation in ChatGPT to begin our content creation process. The first tool we will use is ChatGPT. We are going to set up an interactive step-by-step prompt workflow inside ChatGPT so that it guides us through topic selection, script writing, image prompt creation, and video animation prompts sequentially. Copy the official interactive master prompt provided directly in the description box below this video. Open ChatGPT, paste the master prompt into the chat input box, and hit enter. ChatGPT will execute step 1 of the prompt and immediately present a list of 10 highly engaging, viral documentary topic ideas centered around suppressed history, biblical mysteries, secret portals, and ancient texts like the Book of Enoch and Mount Hermon. At the end of this list, ChatGPT will pause and explicitly ask you to select one topic from the 10 options provided. Review the generated list, choose the topic that fits your channel concept best, and type the topic number directly into the chat box. Once you enter your selection, ChatGPT executes step 2. It will write a complete, dramatic documentary voiceover script broken down scene by scene, accompanied by precise Meta AI image generation prompts for every scene. After generating the script and image prompts, ChatGPT will pause once more and ask you if you are ready to receive the matching video motion prompts. Type yes into the chat, and ChatGPT will immediately output the corresponding Flow AI animation prompts for every visual scene. Step 2. Generating base, visual artwork in Meta AI. Now that our script and visual prompts are ready, open the Meta AI application on your mobile device or access the desktop platform. We will generate our base cinematic documentary visuals using the Meta AI prompts generated by ChatGPT. To make sure your generated artwork fits your target publishing platform, you must specify the correct aspect ratio directly inside your text prompt instructions before generating. If you are creating vertical content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, add aspect ratio 9:16 to the end of your image prompt. If you are creating standard horizontal long-form videos for YouTube, add aspect ratio 16:9 to the end of your prompt. Copy the scene 1 Meta AI image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the Meta AI chat box with your chosen aspect ratio tag, and click generate. Within seconds, Meta AI will process your visual description and generate high-detail artwork featuring dramatic studio lighting, rich shadows, and sharp textures. Review the output variations, select the highest quality render, and download the raw image file directly to your local device storage. Repeat this simple generation process for each scene prompt in your script. Step 3. Generating deep documentary voiceover using ElevenLabs. With your visual assets generated and organized, the next phase is creating a professional documentary voiceover. Open the ElevenLabs platform in your browser or launch the mobile app. ElevenLabs provides high-quality text-to-speech rendering completely for free. Copy the complete voiceover script generated by ChatGPT in step 1 and paste it directly into the ElevenLabs editor text interface. To match the mysterious and dramatic atmosphere of suppressed history videos, select a deep, calm, and authoritative male voice profile from the available voice library. Adjust the speech playback speed to a steady, dramatic pace. Click the Generate button to render the audio track. Listen to the generated preview to ensure correct pronunciation, then download the final high-definition MP3 voiceover file directly to your device. Step 4. Animating static images using Flow AI Node. Now that you have your image assets and voiceover track ready, open Flow AI in your web browser and create a new project workspace. Flow AI uses a flexible node-based system on a unified canvas grid. Right-click anywhere on the blank canvas, select the image input node from the menu, and upload your saved Meta AI image into the node container. Next, right-click on the canvas again and place a video motion node directly next to your image input node. node. Connect the output port of your image input node to the input port of the video motion node using a drag and drop wire link. Inside the prompt input box of the motion node, paste the corresponding Flow AI video animation prompt generated by ChatGPT for that specific scene. This instructs the motion engine to apply subtle environmental physics, such as slow camera panning, atmospheric fog movement, and lighting transitions. Click Render to process the node pipeline, preview the smooth video output, and download your high-definition animated video clip. Step 5. Assembly and final editing. To complete your documentary, import all your rendered Flow AI video clips and your ElevenLabs voiceover audio into any video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Align each animated clip with its corresponding voiceover segment on the timeline. Add a dark, subtle cinematic background music track with low bass drops. Generate auto captions and export your final video. Your viral ancient mystery documentary is now fully generated and ready for upload. All master prompts and tool links used in this tutorial are provided in the description box below. Subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step AI editing workflows and leave a comment if you have any questions.